ABT Microsessions. The amazing world of farm animals. Vocabulary. Farm animals. Cows. Horses. Pigs. Sheep. Chickens. Goats. Companionship. Clothing. Balance. Let's read.
Farm animals are an important part of many people's lives. They provide us with food, companionship, and even help with work. There are many different types of farm animals, each with its own unique characteristics. One of the most common farm animals is the cow. Cows are large, gentle creatures that produce milk and beef. Horses are another popular farm animal. They are strong and intelligent animals that have been used for transportation and work for centuries. Pigs are also important farm animals. They are intelligent and social creatures that are raised for their meat. Sheep are another common farm animal. They are known for their woolly coats, which are used to make wool. Chickens are also found on many farms. They are excellent layers of eggs and are also raised for their meat. Goats are another type of farm animal. They are similar to sheep but have shorter hair and are often kept as pets. Farm animals play a vital role in our society. They provide us with food, clothing, and companionship. They also help to maintain the balance of nature. It is important to treat farm animals with kindness and respect.
Now, let's answer. What are some common types of farm animals? Why are cows important farm animals? How are horses used on farms? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.